It will likely be several weeks before we see any same-sex marriage ceremonies performed in San Diego. 10 News reporter Steve Fiorina explains why everything is on hold for the moment.
For gay and lesbian couples nationwide, a momentous day.
It's an acknowledgement that that we are equal within the eyes of the state of California and within other states within the union.
They vividly remember a protest 4 years ago.
That was a very turbulent day, and 9 of our friends were arrested that day in a protest over our attempt to get a marriage license.
The two were married in Massachusetts. In California, they're registered as domestic partners. So now what?
Does one fall by the wayside? Does our marriage in Massachusetts trump the California domestic partnership? What happens to couples like us?
They'd like to renew those vows here.
We have a set of rings that we intended to be our California wedding bands that we bought 3 years ago, I guess now. Yes, we're going to open those boxes soon and commemorate our marriage here in our home state.
We checked, and California law forbids issuing a marriage license to someone already married. So they can exchange rings symbolically, but no paperwork. As for most others, the clerk's office will issue licenses once it gets the okay from the state. No waiting necessary.
We do feel that we can accommodate the customers with our current staffing, and when we receive direction, we will begin.
If there's a rush, no problem. Volunteers are used freely on Valentine's Day. This would be handled about the same way. Steve Fiorina, 10 News.
Once approval is given by the state, the clerk's office will immediately begin issuing the licenses. But again, that's probably not for a few weeks. In our Scientific 10 News poll of all Californians, 52% say they agree with today's ruling on Prop 8. 39% disagree with it, and 9% are not sure. The poll has a margin of error of plus or minus 4.5%.